once more time. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple process, yet many people find it very much critical or complex, how to deactivate your LinkedIn account permanently. So first of all, when you go to your LinkedIn, just click on your profile section here. Under your account section, you will find the option is name, setting and privacy. Click on that. After clicking on that option, you will see on the left side there are many options like account preferences, sign-in security, visibility, data privacy, and advertising data. You don't need to focus on anything. Just focus on account preferences option, which is already selected. Now into your right side and go to the button. You will find the close button option here. Click on that. You will see something interface like this. This is two of my connection who actually give me recommendation and endorsement. If you don't know what is recommendation and endorsement, I will make a separate video on this topic. So when you want to close your account, you have to click on continue. And you have to choose a reason why you want to close your account. If you have any of this issue, you can choose that, or if you have any other option, just click on other and explain what is the option. Okay, when you click on the next option, they will ask for your password of your LinkedIn account password. Just put your password there and click on OK or done. Then your account will be permanently closed. That's how easy this process is, and it will take you only 1 minute to do that. Hope you find this video useful and see you once again on the next video. Till then, keep yourself safe from everything.